think that the choice of Incantations by Rautavaara is a really interesting one and really effective for workshops of this kind. They may have heard music like this, but they haven't listened kind of in an in-depth analytical way.
I'd always thought before that composition was sort of you sat down with a piece of paper and a pencil and worked it out, but it was really nice to be able to compose things, you know, in a group and socially and have fun at the same time, and then it came out with something really good in the end. So, you know, that's a learning experience for me, really.
It's very different, I think, to what normally high school pupils would play. They're kind of set on, oh, what's good for exam situations, whereas this is more open and free to interpretation.
I think I'll learn about all the different things I can do and the different textures and that on the violin.
Performing companies like SCO coming to the school brings a whole different dimension to music education. Getting to see the way that professional musicians play and how they come up with ideas when they're composing, their processes they go through with practicing is really inspirational for the young people.
Oh, brilliant opportunity. Absolutely brilliant opportunity. At the moment there's a huge focus on equity and inclusion in the whole of Scotland as a national priority. I think with organisations like SCO companies coming in and offering this sort of opportunity to learners who would never ever have experienced working with professional musicians, with music students, I think it reaches out to everybody.
If we can help to sort of open their minds and give them a taste of something that might appeal to them, and it might spark ideas for further development down this line.
It was really great to work with Fraser because he's so experienced in this line of work. We went through the whole process of constructing workshops, things to look out for, ways to keep everybody engaged, and they were a lot of fun for ourselves to do and quite creatively challenging too.
I think it's really important that the SCO is offering this type of training for RCS students because we are professionals in training, and ultimately when we graduate over the next few years we want to be able to pass on those skills to people younger than us.